How to stop delays in EA FC 25. Now, this was a common problem last year in EA FC 24, and what resolved it was by coming to the home page here, then coming up to the top left hand corner and selecting the little cog and going into that. Then you want to go into settings, then game settings. Now obviously, before we start, make sure your internet connection is up to scratch, because this was causing a lot of people lag last year. However, these settings was making it worse. So come along to visual, then come all the way down until you find Hypermotion Insights Overlays, and make sure you can turn this off. Also, turn off Player Performance widget. These was causing people issues last year. Now the next thing you want to turn off is Input Overlays. I'll turn it back on because it's not causing me an issue this year. However, some people are still having the issue. Now the next and last thing worth trying is coming all the way to the end here using your bumper to graphic mode. And you can see here it's enhanced visuals. Change this to favour resolution, especially if you're using a PC, because this takes up a lot of graphical power and can cause lag and delay everything on FC 25. So there are two little things to try before there's a hopeful patch that comes out by EA.